Good afternoon, teacher. My speech is about farmers, friends, colleges, esteemed guests. Today, I want to talk about the backbone of our society, the heart of our food systems, the people who tirelessly work to feed us all, our farmers. They are often unsung heroes, working long hours under harsh conditions. Yet their contributions are immeasurable. Let's consider the challenges they face. The, the unpredictable nature of weather, from droughts to floods, can devastate crops and livestock in an instant. The fluctuating prices of commodities, the rising costs of fertilizers and machinery, and the ever-present threat of pest and disease all contribute to the enormous pressure they endure. Furthermore, many farmers struggle with access to fair markets, leaving them vulnerable to exploitation. Despite these hardships, farmers persevere.
Oh,
They are innovators, constantly seeking new and sustainable ways to cultivate their land. They are stewards of the environment, understanding the delicate balance between productivity and conservation. They are the guardians of our food security, ensuring that our tables are filled with nutritious and wholesome food. We must recognize and appreciate the vital role the farmers play in our lives. We need to support policies that protect them, promote sustainable farming practices, and ensure fair compensation of their labor. We must advocate for access to resources like credit, technology, and education, empowering them to thrive. Let's celebrate their resilience, their dedication, and their unwavering commitment to feeding the world. Let us remember that every bite, every bite of food we take is a testament to their hard work and dedication. Let us support our local farmers, buy local produce, and appreciate the bounty they provide. Let us work together to create a future where farming is a sustainable and rewarding profession and generations to come. Thank you.